Hi, this is Vineet from SNS Institution. So today we are going to look into the topic called big data reshaping strategic business decisions. So let us find how this really big data finds a way to move on to the decisions where the people will really get a good sort of results with the data processed. So let us jump into the topic. So the basic of this data, big data, is way more simpler, falls under this 5 B's, which is nothing but volume, velocity, variety, veracity, and volume value. So this volume massive data set ranges from terabyte to petabyte. So it is the total carriage of data, how it really goes, how it really carries, and how much does it really values of. So the velocity is represents the speed of the data which we are processing it. So it has nearly the real-time data processing capability. So the people who is really using this velocity into the data sets, like it is means the transaction speed which is currently happening between the data is uh, it means what is the meaning of velocity. So the variety is it is the data includes of structured, semi-structured, and unstructured data, which is the data carries of structured data are called labeled data, unstructured data are called unlabeled data, where they do have their own terms into followed. And veracity, so ensuring the data quality and accuracy for reliability. So the data would contain a lot of duplications as well as will contain a lot of missing files. We have to remodify everything, and we have to enter the data which is really necessary to be put on inside. On that sort of time, it is really understandable that the decision which we are going to make with the results would really make sense out of it. So the value, extract actionable insight that maximize the business benefits. So this is all the carries. Like it is the major things of big data and technology and trends. So let me tell you the cloud computing. Cloud computing, AI and machine learning, uh, Hadoops and Sparks, real-time analytics, data visualization, edge computing. Everything, the trend and the technology has grown to a next stage of levels. The scalable storage and processing solutions for the big data. So the cloud computing is nothing but we can process the data wherever we are into it. So that we are storing everything into the cloud where it doesn't have any physical uh, appearance to hold on the devices. Where we forgot to take the device will lead to major issues, but this cloud things made everything easier with the password and with the keys to enter it, makes more comfortable for people to access it from anywhere else. So the AI and machine learning so drives predictive analytics and intelligent automation. So AI and machine learning are now in the stages of where it is ruling parties of everything. So AI is being everywhere. AI is being used in kitchens, AI used in halls, AI used in houses, companies, everywhere it is AI. Artificial intelligence now they are ruling it. Even the computers which we use, the mobile phones, everything carries AI. Machine learning is the process of making understand the thing which we are going to tell to the machines. So it leads to the predictive analytics, how it is going to fall or anything. So the Handoops and Sparks, it frameworks enables the destruction data processing efficiency. Real-time analysis are like delivering the immediate insights of swift business decisions. So data visualization tools like Tableau and Power BI reveals the actionable insights. So coming to the point of Tableau and Power BI, people are really fed up with the data which cannot be understood easily. With this Tableau and Power BI, you can turn the data's numbers into charts and pie graphs or like geographical maps, which will make people to understand very easily, and it also attracts people to uh, get to know more about how it is happening. So we are in the place of not to see numbers. We need to be understand the situations very easily. On that sort of time, this visualization tools uh, helps us more to understand about the data which is present there. So it's computing. It is a process. processes data near to the source, reducing the latencies. So, impact on business strategy, the key areas, the customer analytics, operational efficiency, risk management, product development, and competitive advantage. So, customer analytics enables tailored and personalized customers experience. Example, Netflix. They do personalized advertisements for the customers to retain them up. This helps the Netflix to survive on the field where they are. So operational efficiency. So optimize the process aids and predictive maintenance. We have to do predictive analysis into it. Why? Because this data helps us to find what is going to happen in the future by analyzing the historical data and the present data. We have large number of data sets. With the data sets, what we are going to really do it, whether it is going to help our company to move on to the next stages, or are we going to use a dump the data into one positions. Risk management, so improves the fraud detections and cybersecurity measures. So we have to uh, we can be on the safer side where it reduces the fraud detections, like it increases the fraud detections and cyber measures. So product development, it forecasts the innovation from the data-driven insights and competitive advantages, helps identify the cap capitalize and emerge the market trends. On the whole, which I'm going to tell you is this big data helps us to identify the exact decision which we are going to take by analyzing those data. It goes into process of cleaning, processing, and we are jumping into analyzing and visualizations. So these process will make a meaningful data as well as it will give us a meaningful decision where we can sustain into it. I hope you would have got some thoughts and ideas about it. Thank you so much.